Good morning and welcome to the last video lecture of this Boolean algebra chapter. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about the exclusive gates that are available in the logic circuit terminology. Right? As we know, total 7 different logic gates are there in the Boolean algebra, and out of these 7 different logic gates, 2 gates are known as exclusive gates. Right? These exclusive gates are XOR gate, XOR means exclusive OR gate, and the next one it is XNOR, exclusive NOR gate. Right? So these 2 different exclusive gates are there in this chapter. Now we will discuss what is there, what is the diagram of these different gates, what is the truth table of these different gates. Very first, we are going to start with XOR gate, right? XOR, exclusive OR, and if you want to check the symbol of XOR gate, it is plus with circle. Right? Means anywhere if you see this one, P plus with circle Q, it means in that circuit diagram XOR gate is available. Clear? Now, what is the diagram of this XOR gate? Just check the diagram. Here it is. Just one OR gate with one extra curve. Clear? If you see from this side, if you see it from this angle, you can see 2 different curves are connected with this OR gate, so that it is known as exclusive OR gate. Right? 2 different curves are there. Here it is in this diagram, it is a 2-input XOR gate. The first input is A, the second input is B, and the output, the result of this gate is this one. It is the symbol of XOR gate. Right? Now, if we talk about what is the terminology, what is the methodology in this particular gate, just check this point. It gives true output. True means 1. It gives one output when the number of true inputs are odd in number. When the number of true inputs are odd in number, means you have to count how many total trues are there in the input signal. And if these trues are odd in number, odd means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. Odd in number, then this gate produces true result. Right? Just check this truth table also. It is related with the XOR gate only. Here A and B, 2 different inputs are there. When 2 inputs are there in a particular gate, 2 raised to power n means 2 raised to power 2 equal to 4 means total 4 different possibilities are related with the truth table. So here the first one 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Right? Now to produce the final result of XOR gate, you have to count the presence of 1 in the truth table. 0 0. The presence of 1 is 0 and 0 is under the category of even. Just see, true inputs even. 0 means even. Now 0 1, count how many 1 is there in that particular truth table. 0 1, 1 is 1 only. 1 means odd number, so the result is 1. Then 1 0, how many 1? Count this one. 1 2 3 4, how many? It is 1 only. 1 means odd number, and the rule is true inputs are odd in number, then the result is true. So here the true input, then 1 is in odd number, so the result is true. Here 1 plus 1, total counting, it is 2. 2 means even. Even means false. Even means the result is 0. Right? So it is the truth table of this XOR. Clear? Now if we talk about the XNOR gate, XNOR stands for exclusive NOR gate. NOR, not or plus NOR. It is NOR. Right? Exclusive NOR gate means XNOR. NOT gate is connected with the output line of XOR gate. Just see, it is the XOR gate, and if I am going to connect one NOT gate with the output line of the XOR gate, it is converted as XNOR gate. Just see the diagram. Here it is. It is the diagram of XOR gate. and one circle is connected. Circle means what? Circle means NOT gate here. So if I connect NOT gate with the input signal, with the input line, it is known as, it is under the category of XNOR gate. Right? So what is the output over here? A, B, according to the XOR gate, the output is A plus circle B. Now NOT is connected means A plus circle B whole bar. It is the output of this XNOR gate. Right? Now if we talk about the truth table, and if you want to find out what is where the result is true in this XNOR gate, just check this one. It is the complement of the XOR gate. NOT is there, so it is known as complement. It inverts the result of the XOR gate, right? It produces true result when the number of true inputs are even in number. Here, if we talk about XOR gate, where the number of true inputs are odd in number, then the result is true. वहां पे उल्टा होना है. उल्टा मीन्स व्हाट? जहां पे the number of true inputs are even in number, then only the result is true. Right? Just check the truth table. 2 inputs are there. 2 raised to n means total 4 possibilities are there. The 4 possibilities 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right? Count 1. Count the presence of 1 in each and every line. 0, 0. The presence of 1 is 0. 0 means even. So I put even. The result of this one, A plus B, it is 0. Right? Then the result of XOR gate, it is just inverse of this one. So very first, it is the same truth table according to that. Then you should apply the NOT gate with this equation. Right? According to this, here it is the final result, the final output of XNOR gate. Right? So I hope the topic is clear in your mind. Thank you very much.